welcome to very spooky PortAventura world. This is day 2 of me being in Slough, PortAventura, and we're in the main park today. And not too far away from me is Furious Backhoe. So I'm just going to show you over the lake here, which is right behind me. Oh, look at that. What a beauty. So today we're going to have some pretty major coasters coming up, like Stampede, Dragon Cam, Furious Backhoe, El Condor. Well, not El Condor, that's the tower. But anyways, there'll be more coming soon, so stay tuned. Right now we're heading over to the west for our first ride of the day. You'll find out that in a couple of seconds. But not, enjoy the day, folks. Here, okay, gentlemen, we're just about in Cape for the Grand Canyon Rapids. It looks like we've got a very quick turnaround time. It's looking excellent today on this ride. So, Grand Canyon Rapids, I'm going to get wet as per usual on these water rides. As you guys know, I love to get wet. I better put this camera away before I get soaked. So we're now just making our way down the queue. And people keep coming. The usual. Oh dear. That's the only downside to these queues. People will queue jump. So now, let's get around and tap and we'll get to off. Let's go. Oh, there's a show going on. Right, you ready? Huh? You're ready. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was Grand Canyon Rapids, and right behind me there seems to be a show going on. Seems like some sort of pyrotechnic water show. Well, I don't know, Grand Canyon Rapids. Oh, it was really good. Didn't get soaked as much, but still a pretty good ride for what it is. But anyways, we'll see what's going to happen next. So what ride we're going to end up on. I'll see you guys later. Ladies and gentlemen, right now we're just making our way down towards the Silver River Flume. There's going to be a wreck side, which is a log flume, my favourite type of ride. This one I can show you, I will get drenched on. I literally made it. There's 3 drops on this log flume, third one being the biggest. So basically it starts making its way up with small, medium, then big one. So yeah, here comes the log flume song. And I'll see you guys when we get off. Okay guys, that was the Silver River Flume I was just on. I'll show you some off-ride footage later, but as a result, it is time to reveal how I am. As you look at my hair, I am drenched. Look at me, guys. I am drenched, whole way around, everywhere. I am totally drenched. But that was a really good ride. Really, really, really good. I highly recommend it. You get totally drenched on it. So yeah, that was Silver River Flume. Right now, we're going to get dried off, but not by a dryer, by a roller coaster. That's right, folks, it's coaster credit time. So we're now heading our way over to El Diablo Mine Train. So get ready for some high-speed action. Off-ride footage, roller coaster, here we come. I'll see you when we get off. I'm just going to get some film footage around here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there's been a bit of a change of plan here. Right now, we're still in the western area, but now it's wooden roller coaster time. Time for me to prepare up against the coaster, and we're about to go on Stampede. Now this is a real road racing roller coaster where you get to the side, you go on red or blue. And this is so close to the end. The cells don't look too bad. But look at this beauty. Big, massive, wooden roller coaster. This will probably be my second wooden roller coaster of the year. but look at this view. Look at Stephen. I'll be going around. Choose the colour, Dad. Red or blue? You got, there's two sides to the train. Dad?
Does it matter?
No, I. So now let's get a choose the colour. Right here, roller coaster. There we go. That's a damn dirty roller. Look at that. So now we're just going to see the colour. This Dad will go red. No, red's tilted back. Red. Okay, looks like a race on red. You've chosen red. Look, I will see you. Okay guys, you just seen a little bit of action with Stampede there, and I'm just off the ride itself, and oh my word, what a roller coaster that was. Two trains going at once. There's one of those racing roller coasters, and today I got a whole load of airtime on it. Had my hands up the whole time while I was on the ride. That's a good ride. I'll give you the facts and stats of it later, so once I get my phone on the wiki. But now I think it's time for some lunch, because that was probably about an hour long wait. So yeah, that was really, really good. Well done, PortAventura. Thumbs up on that one. Comparing it to Crucially that I was on earlier this year. You get a lot more airtime on Crucially than Stampede, but still a good amount. There's a lot of good head chopper movements on that one. And yeah, very good. Well done. So I think we're gonna get some lunch and then try the mansion again. Yeah, we'll see what happens. But currently I might not get Shambhala today due to the queue being an hour and 20 minutes. Because it's the weekend, everyone off school. I think it's the same for Dragon Con as well.
Is that right, yeah?
So yeah, pretty good ride. See you in a bit. Oh, look at that. Horror in Texas. There's Tomahawk. Dad, here comes the roller coaster again. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're now in the queue for Tomahawk. That's it. My train wasn't. It's gonna be later, a wee bit. Look at all the main rides today had like the board or 1 hour or 2 hours. Shambhala is now 2 hours. So we'll be getting Shambhala today, unfortunately, folks. But we'll try and get some off-road footage, so we have that. Sound good? Good. Now this is a fairly older ride at the Park Tomahawk, so queue's fairly quick by the looks of things. Yeah. Let's see what we can do. Check the Tomahawk. What a ride, Tomahawk. Yeah, it's really good. Same type of cars Crucially, this is one of my dad's going here. Oh yeah, photo imaging, but can't see my photo. Oh, I see myself, hands up as per usual. Hands up and high ride on that one. Get a little bit of airtime. In the coaster. Oh. You see it? Yep. So right now we're just going to skip lunch and just get it when we go back to the hotel. So I think we're heading towards maybe the last few rides of the day, because it's pretty busy here. But I'll see if I can try and get some off-road footage in. But yeah, thumbs up to Tomahawk as well. Really good coaster. It's more like one of those family kiddie coasters because it's a lot slower than Stampede. For one of those racing movies. Oh yeah, you can probably see us go behind me there. There we go. There's Stampede for you in the background. Right now we're just about heading to Mexico, which is where El Diablo is, so I'll see you in a bit.
Del lado hay cuatro un beso de perfil, beso unas piernas, no vas a ver todo. Can we go see what the insides are?
Nah, they're an hour still. Sometimes the beat, yeah, I'm just survival with those screen now. Right now we're on the screen if you can't guess it. Now we just go back down the top. So you see there's nothing really going on in the cat world, but let's knock it out there. Right now we're just being over back down, so we'll have lunch and then we'll head back to the hotel. Oh, there goes Shambhala. I think get on camera, but now it's a back from the good thing, right? Some passing some all day. Ooh, tunnel. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're now just off the train. So, we're just going to make our way down to the entrance there. Not really on the bridge today, but I hope you guys enjoyed the footage of Stampede, aka Shambhala, and Dragon Khan. Now, there'll be another video on them where we'll get on board and let's get my absence on it. Hopefully the queues won't be bad Monday, but which is the next time we're doing it, but other than that, today's guys have been great. Just about to get lunch, so and there's a show going on right now. So I'll see you at my lunch and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is us here done PortAventura World. Now that'll be a day 3 vlog, as I've got some unfinished business with Shambhala over there and Dragon Khan. So I hope you all enjoyed today. Thank you so very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. And let me know in the comment section what you think. Let me know, might do theatre park someday. But anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.